In this video, I'll be showing you how to wipe any Android phone to factory settings and reset your phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and the same principle applies for any Android phone you have. So all you want to do is swipe upwards and go over to your settings application. Then go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom. You're going to see general management or system settings. Go ahead and click on it, scroll down again, and you're going to see reset as one of the options. Go over to that. Now, before you reset anything and delete everything, I would recommend you do a temporary cloud backup or an external storage backup just in case you forget some, to back anything up or something important. Once you're done with that, all you want to do is scroll down and you can reset individual settings like network settings or Bluetooth settings. But if you want to delete everything and reset, then go over to factory data reset, which is the very last option. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to show you everything that is going to be reset. All you're going to do is scroll down and then click the reset button, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.